Good day, everyone. I'm here today to teach you once again. I want us to discuss mathematics, and the topic we want to discuss today is that particular topic. Although it is small, but it is also what? Mighty, because it has been confusing you all this while. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about what? Negative numbers. All right, negative numbers, they have been confusing students, especially how to add them or how to subtract them. For example, when you have minus 7 plus 2, what do you do? Some people will say you are going to use number line. Fine, but what if the number happens to be very large? Are you still going to use number line? For example, when you have something like minus 350 plus 200, are you still going to do that one? How are you going to be constructing such number line without using a computer? On your notebook, you'll be constructing number line that will comprise up to 0 to 200 or 0 to minus 350. Come on, it's very difficult. All right, I'm here to show you the simple way of doing that. Follow me. Don't give up. I'm here to make it to be simple to you. Let's go and solve it together. All right, we have negative numbers. All right, negative numbers, they are those numbers that have minus sign attached in their front like this. When you have this is what? A negative number. When you have something like this is what? A positive number. This can also be written like this. So when you have ordinary number without sign attached to it, it means positive like this. Is it clear? But once the number is negative, the sign must be what? Attached in front of it. Okay? So sometimes, like I said, we are going to do addition, we are going to do subtraction, we are going to do division, we are going to do what? Multiplication, so that you see how this thing can be what? Solved. All right, let us start with addition. Addition of what? Negative numbers. So this addition of a thing, how do we do it? I used to explain this to my students by telling them that when you have negative, just use it in form of what? Money. When you have negative, it means that you are owing somebody. Is it clear? Of course, is that if you have negative, your account now, if you have negative there, it means that you are owing. Is it clear? Means that when anything comes in, it should first of all be deducted. Is it clear? Before it will become the rest to become your own. That is what it is. Is it clear? So I used to use monetary aspect of this to explain this negative of a thing. When you have minus 7, it means that you are owing 7. When you have minus 10, it means that you are owing 10. But when you have plus 5, it means that you just got 5. When you have ordinary 5, it means that you have 5. Is it clear? When you have ordinary 5, it means that you have it. When you have plus, it means that you just got it. Just know this so that it will assist us in what we are doing. All right, let us solve an example so that you see how this can be solved. What if you have something like this? Let's have example 1. Example 1 like this. This question says simplify. You have minus 7 plus let's say plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4. How do we go about this? Minus 7 plus 4. How do we go about this? We have solution like this. Minus 7 plus 4, it simply means that you are owing somebody 7 naira. Is it clear? Or you are owing somebody $7, or you are owing somebody £7, or just any currency you know, just put it at the back of it. But let us be using our dollars. For example, here you're owing somebody $7, then plus 4 means that you now got what? $4. What do you do? All right, so I'll bring it down here. We have $7 like this, and you have like this. You are owing somebody $7. That means of this minus 7. Now you just got $4. What will happen? Automatically, what will happen is that if this thing happens to be in the bank, they don't even need to consult you. If you are owing them $7 and you just got 4, they will just deduct it. Is it not? You have to pay back. Okay. Even MTN, if you are owing MTN airtime, once you recharge, they will deduct it. That is how it is done. All right. So now you are owing a bank, or let's say you are owing MTN, or you are owing Glo, you are owing Globacom 7 naira. You now got what? 4. What do you think that will happen? What will happen is that this money that you just got, or this airtime that you just got, will be used to pay back this thing that you are owing, the loan. Can you see that? So if you are owing 7 and you just got this, they will just use it to pay back. And you notice that this is smaller than this. You cannot even finish paying what you are owing. It will pay back, and you will still be owing what? You'll be owing 3. Can you see that? So if you are owing somebody $7, you just got 4, you call the person and give the person what? The 4. You have not finished what? Paying. You tell the person, I'll pay you later. So how much are you now owing that person? It is what? You are owing that person 3. So answer should give us what? 3. Is it clear? So that is how it can be solved. All right, let me solve another example. We have example 2 here. All right, example 2 says simplify this. -5 plus 13. -5 plus 13. Simplify that. How do we go about this? We have solution like this. All right. Like I said, this minus means that you are owing. Okay. This simply means that you are owing a bank $5. Then you now got what? $13. What do you think that will happen? From this 13, they will collect their what? The loan that you're owing them. Is it clear? All right. So now I want you to understand it like this. You are owing $5. You now got what? 13. What bank will do is that from this 13 that you just got, they will take what you are owing them. Is it not? Which is what? 5 naira. If they now take 5 naira, how much are you going to have left for you? You are going to have what? 8 naira. If you are using naira, it will be 8 naira. If you are using dollars, it should be what? $8. So if you are owing $5, you just got $13. They will deduct their $5. You have $8 left. If you are owing 5 naira, you just got 13 naira. When they deduct their 5 naira, you have 8 naira left. So depending on the currency that you are owing, just fix it there so that to become familiar. All right. So that is it. Always know it like this, that you are owing when you have minus. When you have plus, just got, then you have to try to service this loan. If you have something left for you after servicing it, that means it should be positive. After servicing it and you are still owing, that amount that you're owing should be negative here, and that will give us the answer. All right, so that is how this can be solved.